Hmm. Hello students, welcome back to EVS chapter 5 part 1. In this the chapter name is Food We Eat. In this chapter we will learn about different types of food that we eat in our daily life. Different types of food that we eat in our daily life. Students, you all know we all living being need food to live and to grow. People who eat healthy food are healthy and stronger than the people who do not eat food or do not eat healthy food. They can work better than the people who do not get enough of food or enough all the nutrition. Students, do you know where do we get food from? Do you know where do we get food from? My question is yes, we get food from plants and animals. We get food from plants and animals. We get fruits, vegetables, grains, pulses from plants. We get milk, egg, meat, and fish from animals. We get milk, egg, meat, and fish from animals. In this way, plants and animals are the two sources of food. In this way, plants and animals are the two sources of food. My second question is why do we need food? Why do we need food? We need food to grow and to be healthy. We need food to grow and to be healthy. Students, should we eat only one kind of food every day? If you get bread, butter, jam every day, it will be okay for your body? It will be good for your body? Say yes or no? No. We should not eat only one kind of food every day. We should eat all the different kinds of food so that our body get all the nutrients. Okay? There are the different types of food are as follows. I will tell you the name. The first type is energy giving food. The second type food shows that help us to grow. The third type is bodybuilding food. In this way, this all the different types of food help us to grow. In the first slide, it shows some pictures are there: chapati, rice, potato, bread, and eggs. Chapati is made from wheat, WHEAT, wheat. Rice is also a grain we get from the plants. Rice we eat every day. Potato is a vegetable which grows under the ground. Bread also we get from the wheat. Egg we get from hen. In this way, these all are food that help us to grow. The second slide shows the picture of energy giving food. Energy giving food are butter, cheese, honey, oil, sugar. All these products help us, our body, to get the energy. Some are milk products, some we get from the sugar we get from the sugar cane. In this way, these all items also helps our body to grow. The third slide shows protective food. What is protective food? There are some food that protects our body from illness. There are some food that protects our body from illness. These foods are called protective food. They contains vitamins in small amount. Vitamins. Which are that fruit? Which are the foods? These are fruits and vegetables. So there are so many kinds of fruits are shown in the picture: banana, orange, pineapple, grapes, sweet lime, strawberry. Many more fruits are there, very nutritious and very tasty to eat. Children like to eat sweet fruits. They give us energy. In this way, the slide also shows vegetables, cabbage, peas. In the picture, it shows cauliflower, brinjal, broccoli, tomato, capsicum. There are different types of vegetables. Your mother cooks for you every day different vegetables so that you should get all the required vitamins to grow and to be healthy, and they are needed for our body to grow. Okay, and the next slide shows bodybuilding food that helps our muscles and bones to be strong are called bodybuilding food. Here the picture is shown: milk, chicken, fish, and pulses. These are bodybuilding food, or the food that helps the muscles and bones to be strong. If this food is not there, our body will not grow properly. So these are bodybuilding food. There are so many different kind of pulses, gram, uh, we call it a green gram, then moong, chana, urad, all these things, they are pulses we eat in our daily life. Now, so these were all the different types of food that we require in our daily life. Now the next topic is vegetarians. Vegetarians. Vegetarians means people who do not eat fish, chicken, or meat are called vegetarians. People who do not eat fish, chicken, or meat are called vegetarians. So, how these people will get the uh, extra nutrients? The people can get extra nutrients for their body by eating nuts. Which are the different types of nuts you eat? Cashew nut, almond, pistachio, walnut, peanut. So many nuts are there. You can eat these nuts simply, or you can add in the milk. In this way, these supply us with the extra nutrients required for our body. I hope you have understood this topic. Okay, thank you.